Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video, in my opinion anyway. I'm going to be trying out the KASH Beauty Collection. So I ordered this literally like as soon as it was released. I was like, boom, mine, I'm having it. Like, I didn't even know what it was going to be. I was like, it's Kaylee, it'll be good. So I ordered it. So today I'm going to be having my first little play with that collection. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to jump straight into it. This is the packaging when you first open the box. It's literally like the cutest packaging ever. I absolutely love it. So in this collection, if you've not seen it already, you get some eyelashes here. So you just get 3 sets of eyelashes. So then you get this here, which is the Secret Treasure eyeshadow palette. And I have to say the packaging on this is unreal. Like the whole collection is just so like grungy, and I love it. So yeah, it comes like that, and then if I can, I mean, I've finished. 1 minute. Ow. Get out. Okay, so when you take it out of the sleeve, it just looks like this. It's got like the gold detailing and the compass on it and things. And then when you open it up, this is what the palette looks like. These are the shades here, so it's literally just like your everyday nudes and like brown tones, and I'm obsessed. So you've got like the 3 glitter shades and then the 6 matte shades, and the pans in this are like really big as well. Like you will never run out of this palette. And then finally you get 3 lip kits. So these are the 3 lip kits. Again, the packaging is amazing. It's got like the gold detailing again and the treasure map, like old treasure map kind of feel to it. So you get Rust Nude, Rose Nude and True Nude. So this is everything you get in the collection. So this altogether was I think 88 euros, which was like just over £80. And I'm not mad about it. I'm like, that is fine by me. So let's see if they're as good as I hope they're going to be. I'm gonna pin my hair back, zoom you guys in, and then we're gonna dip into this beautiful eyeshadow palette and create a nice smoky grungy look. Okay, so now that we're all up close and personal, I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow palette. I'm first going to go in with the shade Script, which is this one here. It's like the lightest shade in the palette. And with that, I'm going to blend it all through the crease, like from inner corner to outer corner. So far, I'm a fan of these eyeshadows. They're really pigmented. I think like you don't need a lot of product at all. I'm literally just like tapping in maybe twice, and it's just blending out super easy, and I'm chuffed so far. So far so good. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Burnt, which is this one here. So it's just going in with like a slightly darker shade, and I'm gonna start blending that through the crease, but concentrating it mostly on like the outer third of my crease and in that corner there. And then just using the brush I was using before and a teeny bit of Script just to blend those together. Just to deepen that up a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the shade 2, which is this one here. And I might add in a teeny bit of Wreck, which is the dark brown at the bottom. And I'm just going to focus that again on the outer corner just to add some definition and some depth. Honestly, these blend together so nicely and so easily. I'm obsessed already. Then at this point, I am just going to run some colour on my bottom lash line. My lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the shade Burn, which was the second shade we used. So I'm just going to run that across my lower lash line. Just just like that, and making sure that that's connected up to the eyeshadow on my crease, in my crease and on my lid. And then I'm not gonna cut the crease today because I want to see just how all the eyeshadows work on their own. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Treasure, which is the one in the middle, the heart of the palette, and I'm gonna pop that all over my lid. Oh wow, okay. Can we take a minute? Can we take a minute? Okay, that is unreal. That is stunning. That is gorgeous. It's so smooth and it's not chunky at all. That is amazing. Okay, so I've put that on like pretty much the entire lid, just leaving a little bit off at the edge. And I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. I'm just going to quickly swatch the other two colours. So this is Gemstone, Treasure and Tarnish. They're stunning. I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. They're gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with Forbidden on the angle brush. This is actually an eyebrow brush, but I'm just going to take this. I'm going to create like a bit of a smoky liner. So this is more just to help hide the lash band. And then on the pencil brush I was using earlier, I'm going to take a little bit of Forbidden and just blend it into that outer third of my lid. And then going back in with Tomb and Wreck and just blending that together. And then using that same angle brush, I'm just going to push it towards my bottom lashes as well. Again, going back in with the two dark shades, so Tomb and Wreck, just to blend that in. I'm just taking Tomb and blending that a bit further because it's not looking how I wanted it to look on camera. So this is literally just for camera's benefit because in person that's looking fine. And then I'm just going to blend the liner I've done out a little bit more. Okay, so this is where we're at with the eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna chuck some mascara on and then I'll be right back. So now in terms of lashes, I really don't know which ones to use. Oh, I want to use them all. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the middle ones, so I'm gonna go in with the Style Rich. She did say in her release video that she'd purposefully made them really long so that they'd suit more people and people can make them exactly how they want them. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut them down and and make them perfect for my eyes. There we are, so there's one lash. The only thing I have to say is these lashes do have like a really thick lash band, so I kind of wish I'd have put like actual eyeliner on as well as just like the smoking the black out. But with the lash on, I feel like that's really just pulled my eye look together. Like this doesn't look as intense or anything anymore, it's all quite smoked out. But I'm obsessed with these lashes, they look so nice on. Like, they make such a difference. So there's been a big change of plan. So my eyes for some reason are reacting to my lash glue. So as you can see they're really red and irritated. My skin's really weird, so some days I can wear makeup and it'd be absolutely fine, and then other days my face and my skin will just like rebel and just decide that it doesn't want to do that anymore. So unfortunately, no lashes today, which is really upsetting and really annoying because they're so pretty and I really wanted to wear them. So I've had to just like put on some more of the liner to cover up where I had lashes before. So I'm just kind of blending the black and the gold into each other now. Just kind of layering the gold over the black so it's not quite as intense now that we're not having lashes. But yeah, so now my eyes are watering like mad and ruining my eyeshadow look, and I'm not happy about it. But yeah, so this is where we're at, this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so now that we're finished with the eyeshadow and I've given up my battle with my lashes, I'm going to move on to the lip kits. I did say I was going to show you all 3 of them on my lips, but I'm running out of time now. I've just had literally a 20-minute battle. So I'm going to swatch them all for you and then choose which one I want to wear today. So the lip kits just look like that, and then you pull this and that's what they look like inside. Okay, so they're 3 kits swatched. So this one here is Rust Nude, this one is True Nude, and the one at the bottom is Rose Nude. Now the formula is so creamy and I can already tell I'm going to be obsessed with these. So I think I'm actually going to go in with Rust Nude today. So she did say that the lip liners are a lot darker than the lipsticks because she wanted to be able to give you that full effect of like the darker outline and the lighter bit in the middle. Okay, so that's the lip line on, and now I'm going to go in with the lipstick. So again, the packaging is all gorgeous on literally all of this, I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to apply this to the centre of my lips. So that is the Rust Nude lipstick applied. Now all in all, I am super chuffed and super happy with this entire collection. Obviously I've not been able to test the lashes properly because of my eyes having a tantrum, which I'm gutted about because I really wanted to know what they were like on properly. All in all, I'm happy with how this look turned out. I'm obsessed with the eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is amazing. The shimmer shades are amazing. The lipsticks are super creamy, like super easy to use, super blendable, and I'm so chuffed. I love a matte finish on a lipstick, so this is like my perfect like lip formula, I guess you could say. I really hope you enjoyed this video. All in all, I do love this collection. Don't regret buying it at all. Highly recommend that you go and buy it yourself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all that fun stuff. And also, I always forget to say it, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification wherever it is on screen, that you'll get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!